If your Lyft account has been restricted, you may want to appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or the Lyft app for any communication regarding the restriction. Understand the reason provided for the restriction to prepare your appeal accordingly. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant information or documentation that supports your case. This could include screenshots, ride details, or any correspondence with Lyft that may help clarify your situation. Step 3. Access the Help Center. Visit the Lyft Help Center on their website or app. Look for the section related to account restrictions or appeals to find specific guidance on how to proceed. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions provided in a Help Center to submit your appeal. Fill out any required forms and include the documentation you gathered to strengthen your case. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Lyft to review your case. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your appeal status. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Lyft. Good luck!